I know Atalji's heart. He was so fond of the medical profession. He had so much of attachment with doctors. He respected the doctors like anything. Whose historic speech on the 15th of August 2003 made that historic revolution in the health sector of this country. And that was the time when we could first time start dreaming about another aims in this country. And I'm sure that if Atalji was there, see all these aims developing in such with such great speed and with so much of and not many of you may be knowing, but I know Atalji's heart. He was so fond of the medical profession. He had so much of attachment with doctors. He respected the doctors like anything. And he loved them and adored them and showered his affection and blessings on every doctor that whom he knew. So he was very fond of the medical profession. And you all know, we all know that he is the one as a science and technology minister. Also, I always remember him because he is the one who brought science to the center stage of Indian politics at that time when he said it is not only going to be Jai Jawan and Jai Kisan, it has to be Jai Vigyan also. And then we cannot forget that he started that journey along with our late Sushma Swaraj who represented people of Vidisha, who is being people who are being represented by our honorable MP now, and the journey that he started with addition of a few more aims in 2014. Prime Minister Modi converted that journey into a sort of a revolution of the medical profession. The country is at the moment witnessing a very huge revolution, and this revolution is very much focused around three areas around health, education, science, technology, and simultaneously things like digital India, skill India, this Swasth Bharat, etc., etc. They are all adding huge, big dimensions to the whole movement. So it was a pleasure today to see this skill department, the specialized skills for developing skills of people to give them the right training to resuscitate and help people in dire situations. AIMS is not AIMS only, it is a brand. And this is not a national brand, it is an international brand. That also we should not forget.